So we are almost at my cousin's house. We are going to hang out with them here in South Carolina.
Woo. Oh yeah. South Carolina.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Turn right.
We're almost there. Took us 5.5 hours, but here we are.
It's beautiful.
Actually, wait, we left at 11. It took us 6.5 hours.
Arrive. Destination is on your left.
Hi Dutch, you're a star. Look at you, you're so cute. You gotta be on the vlog, Dutch. Dutch, we should give you your own Instagram and everything. You'd be famous, I reckon.
Yes, we should.
Yeah. Hey Dutch, do you shake? Shake? Paw. Paw? Paw. 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 Oh. Okay, bye.
We're making loaded baked potatoes.
Oh wow, a lot of baked potatoes. Hey Em, say hi Em. Hi. So the girls over here scrubbing the spuds, as I would call them, the spuds. And then we're going to put them in the oven, hey Steph? Mm-hmm. Go in the oven, how long? 400?
An hour, well, 45 minutes, 375.
Perfect.
This is how you do garlic, ready?
Well, here we go.
Here, let's do one at a time so you can really see.
Get right in
You're going to
here.
put it on the side, put your knife on top, and smush. And then, that was a big smush. And then you can easily take off the peel. Okay. Hey, put it in your scrap bowl, hey! Because
yeah, scrap bowls are at top.
if you do this instead, it takes forever. Yeah, and then you can start getting fancy and getting another one.
A bunch of them, yeah.
That was dangerous, don't ever do that.
Try to do that again, that was great.
Okay, here you go.
There you go.
Nice.
Perfect.
Now just peel it off. You got it.
Nice. I guess that'll work.
Oh, good.
Yeah, you got it.
Good.
You got it. There we go.
Here you go. Hey!
Easy as that, guys.
Now you know how to squish garlic.
The goal is not to cry.
Alright, so what we're gonna do first is top it,
Top.
according to Adam. So you can tuck your fingers back. I'm just gonna cut this part of it off. Ooh. What the
That's real life.
Retake.
You can't make this up. You can't make it up.
It's just old.
Bad one.
Mom. You can't make it up.
Come on. That's okay. Alright.
Take two.
So we're just gonna cut off the top.
See top and no tail.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna cut it in half.
So why you cry is because people cut the bottom off, and see the bottom is where it releases all of the juice. I guess the best way to say it.
Yeah.
And if you don't cut that part off, it's going to keep it all together without splattering
But
everywhere.
I mean, it might make you a little teary.
Yeah, and then the second part is how sharp the knife is, because the more dull the knife is, the more splatter you're going to get everywhere.
So you take the tip, and you just make little, these out and go all the way through to the end. You go like that.
Okay.
Go like that.
So you're not cutting it, you're
You
making
don't go all the way to the end. Wait.
Look up farther.
This way.
Oh, cut you
Your
like.
knuckle should be like.
You want to choke it.
There you go. That's
That's
better.
better, yeah, much better.
Just be careful of your fingers. Go like this. Yep, there you
You
go.
still want to use your other hand.
Yeah.
Rob, use your other hand.
Use your hand. Wait. Just go like this. Tuck your fingers.
Problems.
You are, but you're making me nervous. Tuck your fingers back like this.
Like
that.
Like take your
Like this,
fingers and
like
like
that.
that.
Hang on, I'll give you. Do you want me to get in there?
There you go. Go ahead.
Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Molto
Yay!
bene. That's all I ever hear in my head with Adam. Tuck your fingers back.
Tuck your fingers back. That's it.
You
You did great. You did great.
Alright, so now you're gonna tuck your fingers back again. This should be like this. It can touch the knuckle. So you see that? So that you know that your fingers aren't gonna get hit.
Okay.
See what I mean? So you can use the knuckle to like guide where your knife is. How am I doing, Adam?
Doing great. Yeah, I'm with
And then you
you.
go like that, and look, now you have diced, well not that one, here, let's do this one. You have diced onion.
Yeah, it's nice and small.
Baby girl.
Crying over onions. Crying.
Yes. Touch those fingers.
It happens.
You did it.
I mean, it happens to
Wait.
It happens to everyone.
I have a tear.
That's beautiful.
Catching on.
Beautiful.
Do it the salt way.
The Salt Bay way.
We got, if you're cutting a pepper, right? Cut off the top and the bottom. Then, to get this stuff out, kind of run your knife along the membrane.
Membrane all that.
Pretty sure that's what it's called. I didn't make it
Yeah.
up.
Cell membrane,
Yeah.
fine.
See? See?
Science.
And then you don't have to like dig out all those annoying seeds because they're already out, right?
Uh-huh.
So then you roll it out like that. And then you go like this.
And then...
Tuck your fingers then, and make little strips.
That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. And then you can do this way.
I'm actually really excited for
Chef
this meal.
approved.
It's
Yeah?
gonna be awesome.
I know,
Good.
I can like.
You got it, you got it.
Oh.
Hey! Make it
High
happen. Make it happen.
You can cut down. Go for it. Tuck your fingers back. Wait. See how this you could slice your finger
Oh,
off? Yeah. So you're gonna, even this finger has to tuck
Okay.
back.
Like this. Do this.
Like a
Do
claw.
this.
That claw.
Yeah. And then face it towards the knife like this.
Yep.
There you go. That's better. That's better.
Okay.
Kind of like you're typing, like.
Yeah, kind
Yeah,
of.
like claw fingers.
Yeah, it's better.
There you go.
It's better. And if you want, you can use the butt of the knife.
Like when you cut down. Wait. So when you cut down,
Okay.
you want to be like here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
yeah,
this
yeah,
has
yeah,
more
yeah.
strength than like that
I
random
understand.
far away. There you
Okay,
go.
yeah.
Better, right? Learning.
Perfect. There you go.
Pick those up, put them in the bowl, and chuck them over there.
That's it. How's it going, Am? You keeping it together, stirring it together?
Doing good.
Nice. In you go.
Yep.
In you go.
Okay.
Beautiful.
This one in
Oh,
now.
it looks so good. It's like a rainbow of vegetables.
It's like a rainbow of
That's right.
goodness.
You
I'm
got
gonna
it.
slide it around. And then
flip it.
Wow, that's a perfect avo.
Right?
More of a
Avo.
Wait.
Have an avo.
This way.
Ooh.
There you go. There you go.
No, you're gonna flip it out.
You got it. You gotta like, you push
Okay.
it forward and then pull it back up like this. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a.
There you go. There you got it.
There you go. Yeah, you're doing pretty good.
Just don't cut all the way through to your hand.
You got it.
Good.
That's it. That's it.
There you go. Now that you know how to make guac, you're gonna make it all the time.
Oh yeah, you're gonna
Guac
love
is
it.
the best.
You're gonna love it.
Homemade guac. Chef Adam taught me everything I know.
That's right.
So
That's right.
originally, did you guys start off on your own channels, and then you guys met up from there?
I have my own channel.
Yeah.
And
And
pretty
you guys-
funny.
I just married into
You
it.
guys can laugh at those videos.
I just married into it.
Classy cookie with Chef.
Those are so cute.
Chef. Woo!
Dang.
No, like what
Yeah,
you do
but
is
you
classic
should have
cooking, no, like classic cooking with fit couple cooks.
Yeah.
The one with Carmine that beats the one with Carmine.
I can put that on for him now and he'll just sit there and crack up.
Oh my god.
Making that
And you're like
guac.
talking to him, he's like, look at the camera, it was pretty funny.
Stop, smile. Stop, smile.
Right. That's the cornbread one, right?
Yeah.
Something like that.
The new age of can openers.
Whoa.
Wait, what?
You do not have a can opener. Do not video this.
You're like,
Clean up
what?
my life.
Alien.
I need
Wait, no, that's not it. You gotta get it up higher. You gotta get it up higher. There you go.
no.
Do another one. Now, bend the elbow. There you go. There you go. Yes. Yes. That's perfect.
Open it up a little bit.
You gotta say it. You gotta say it. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's it. You get it. You get it.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful.
Fine. Then, gonna add on some guac.
Oh yeah.
Some guac.
It's coming together.
Some cilantro.
I reckon next time we do a food truck tour.
Oh yeah.
That's right. We could.
Nick's been saying we should do a food truck.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Like a fit couple cooks food truck
Right?
with the logo on the side.
Oh, look at that.
Right.
Whoa.
Excellent.
Hey. Charleston, South Carolina. Pineapple. We got the pineapple. We're at Waterfront Park. And, and Nick James. Hey, Nick James. Look at this guy. Right in the park. Play us a song, Nick James. In the morning time you see. You're beautiful. beautiful, you're beautiful. Hey! Steffi over here. Hey! Say hi to the vlog. Oh, bird. Hey, we got Steffi and we got Suze. Our, you're officially our auntie.
I am.
Yoo-hoo! Cousin, auntie. We know yesterday I was looking into your auntie. Auntie, yeah. My auntie-in-law. She's from here. But yeah, guys, we just arrived to the Pineapple, a waterfront park. Trying to find the 5th Famers. I don't know where they're gonna be. Anyway, we're here.